Hi guys, so we bought this little flat iron off of Amazon. The brand is G-Goal, and it's actually kind of cool. It gets up to about 400 degrees. It plugs into 12 volt, so you can do it in the car, or if you have a battery bank in your camper, whatever works for you. And it actually, it works really well. It's got an on-off button. You do need to be careful because it does not have a case to put it in. So when you're warming it up, be sure that you're not on something that can melt. You're not going to probably do your hair, full hair, like you would at home. But it is nice if you've got your bangs a little messed up from sleeping, or if you've showered or whatever, so you can at least do something and feel kind of normal. We'll put an Amazon link for this in the description. So there you go, guys. Little thing to grab it on the end. There's the on-off. Real small little thing. And then there's the plug. Another little gadget for you ladies that like to camp but not necessarily rough it is this Andis hair dryer. It's the lowest wattage we could find at 650 watts. We have it plugged into the inverter, which is 750 watt inverter from Harbor Freight, and we'll put the link for this in the comments. But you can see that's on low and that's on high, so you can dry your hair. It works pretty well.